Stability. I know I'm part of I'm an older millennial, so stability was never something that my generation adhered to. That was more something that obviously people in the past had. They still with jobs for 20 years, 30 years, right? That was their thing. They went to the factory for 30 years. They retired and that's it. Um, but in our generation is looking for always constantly looking for advancements. We're constantly looking for the next big thing, which is I totally get. As a manager, what I like to see is somebody who sticks around at least long enough where the I don't have to constantly worry about if that person's going to leave us in a year or two. Which I don't fault anybody for doing that, but for my state of mind and for my so I don't have to lose sleep over I got a project coming up, but I don't know if this guy's going to stick around long enough to get through the project. That those are real concerns for managers. So what I do is anything that I can when I finally hire somebody is I make sure that they are shown all the appreciation and all the love that they can, so they don't leave. So they feel bad about leaving because I or the company has treated them so well. I mean, these are things you have to do. Don't go, please don't go.
Yeah.
But
I come in.
stability just
Yep.
to thank you. Appreciate that. But stability is obviously for a manager. That's always something good to see. But there are always reasons why people leave jobs. So not going to really hold that against you. Intellectual curiosity. I have to see that over the course of your career, you have taken on more and more responsibility. You have taken on more and more changes into your role. You have taken on, uh, more certifications or more education. Just show me that you're not happy with wherever it is that you're settled, or wherever it is that you are. That you absolutely want to be more or grow, because in my job especially, and it's something I explained to you when we were onboarding you, that we are looking to become number one in our industry. We have a long way to go, but we made a long stride. And in order to be number one in our industry, we have to have people that will allow us that will grow to a point where we can meet those goals. Because what we know now is not going to be the requirement where we want to be 5 years from now. What we know now may be a good foundation, but we have to learn more. We have to get better. We have to be just more intelligent to compete with the big dogs in our industry. And we can't just keep hiring people and throwing money at the problem. We need people that come in and that are willing to put in the hours or willing to put in the work to know more, to understand more. And we're willing to back you up financially if you ever need to pursue something like that. We're absolutely willing. We'll put away the time for you and the money to help get you to where you want to be. But I gotta see on your resume that you have that if we offer that you'll accept it, right? That you're not gonna say, well, thanks for the offer, but you know what, I'm kind of happy where I am. You might be great at that, but we need. So I read a book where that described the two types of people, or yeah, two types of people on a team. You have rock stars and you have superstars. So rock stars are the ones that do really well at a job, right? They rock out, they do really well. Superstars are those that do really well at the job, but you can tell that they're constantly going to grow, and they're gonna elevate themselves to a point where they're probably not going to be under you for a while, and that's to be expected. So we look for superstars more than we look for rock stars. We do need people that are really well at certain things, but we want people that come in at a certain skill set or certain knowledge or certain role, and that they elevate to the next one, because that's going to help propel us as a company. When you have people who just continue to gather more information, continue to gather more responsibilities, that is exactly what we're looking for. So, more than anything, I would love to see intellectual curiosity on a resume.